Hi, my name is Vikas Parekh. I'm from W3 Era Web Technologies Private Limited. Today in this session, we are going to cover GTM, that is Google Tag Manager, how it works and how it's useful for the businesses. So what is Google Tag Manager? Google Tag Manager is a free tool from Google that allows you to easily manage and deploy marketing and analytics tags or snippets of the code. So on your website, without having to edit the website's source code directly, it is a solution for the marketers who want to manage their own tracking and tagging without needing the help of a developers. Okay, so with Google Tag Manager, you can add a variety of tags to your website, including Google Analytics, AdWords, remarketing, conversion tracking, and many more. So these tags help you track your user behavior and measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. So here is how GTM works, that is Google Tag Manager works. You add a GTM container code to your website HTML, okay, so which is a single line of code that you can copy and paste into your website's header. Once you have added the container code, you can then create and manage tags, triggers, and variables with the GTM. And about tags, triggers, and variables, we will discuss these things in the next video. All right. So when a user visits your website, the container code triggers the tags that you have configured in GTM. We sends the data to your chosen third-party tracking tools such as Google Analytics. So why should you use GTM? Here are some benefits of using GTM for your website. Very easy to use. You don't need any coding skills for that. It's faster for the website. Tags load very fastly, reduce page load times. Okay, more accurate tracking. You can control which pages and events to track. Simplifies tag management. You can manage multiple tags in one place. Reduce reliance on developers. As I told you, you can manage your own tags without needing a developer's help. Okay, so that's an introduction to the Google Tag Manager. We hope this video helps you to understand what is GTM, or the Google Tag Manager is and why it's useful. If you want to learn more about GTM, be sure to subscribe our channel for more helpful videos. And if you need any help for the Google Tag Manager or any digital marketing related services, you can please contact to our website, that is www.w3era.com. Thank you.